Listen, that very knee would shatter the skull.
And now Lesnar looking to put Roman Reigns away. An F5 to the challenger. Lesnar to retain.
Delivered.
I think Lesnar is looking at Roman Reigns thinking the exact same thing.
Going for yet another F5. With more impact. Cover by the champion. And Roman Reigns.
For Roman Reigns.
There is a look of utter disbelief on the face of Brock.
The problem with Brock Lesnar is Brock will do it as many times as necessary.
You hear him? Put him down. Reigns on his shoulder for a third time. And a third F5.
That's it. Call it off.
Lesnar to retain the championship. Reigns on heart.
I can't remember the last time anyone kicked
At Roman Reigns. And he just tosses Reigns to the outside. You see him, Brock just glancing back at the German announce table. You have to wonder what is going through this man's mind. Here, not an F5 out of the table and through the table. 4 F5s have been delivered to Roman Reigns. Lifeless body of Reigns back into the ring.
And the scariest smile you will ever see, just break.
4 F5s, multiple German suplexes, looking for another German suplex, and he delivers.
Talking about taking everything somebody can deal out. That's what Roman.
At this point, I don't even know if Roman realizes what's happening.
Looking for a 5th F5 on Roman Reigns. Number 5! The hell is Roman Reigns still in this match?
Each time, Roman refuses to stay down. And now Lesnar's taking off the gloves. Well,
You know, that smirk, that smile that you guys just talked about, it's gone. Now it's frustrating.
oh my God.
And now Lesnar delivering
Oh my God.
the straight right hand.
That just made my stomach turn to a sickening thud.
Right hand by Lesnar. That's the one you can hear clearly. Believe it.
Oh, no.
Lesnar! F5! Lesnar to retain on Reigns!
And still the Universal Champion,
Brock Lesnar is still Universal Champion!
I conquer the conqueror.
Roman Reigns could not have given any more too much of Brock Lesnar.
Roman Reigns did everything he could. Roman Reigns busted open face.